Alright, hey guys, I just got my RJH in the mail earlier today. Just got back from school and it was here, so they must have delivered it earlier. But I was gonna do an unboxing video. It's a Jasper RJH 1.2, so I'm gonna set it down my tablet real quick and I'll open it and then I'll show y'all. Alright guys, just got the top of it open. There's the cords. The power brick. Oops. It's power brick. Or USB. And here's the RJH. Let me pull it out real quick. Alright guys, so we're gonna get this. Alright guys, here it is. It's a little dirty. It's nice. Yeah, it's my Jasper RGH 1.2. I'll make another video and I'll show you. I'll turn it on and stuff. I have it all hooked up and I'll show you guys. But yeah, please like and subscribe. I'll link the modders Instagram in the description below. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video.